Hello friends. Now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for or we convert multiplication and square roots, cube roots, exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1, brackets. We first simplify the brackets term inside the parenthesis and imply the grouping of the numerator and denominator. Minus 15 and minus 3 is equal to minus minus plus, and the sign will be in negative because the larger digit has a negative sign. Now minus 18. Now the denominator says 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Now the third term, minus 9 into 4. Minus 9 into 4. The next parenthesis and multiplied by minus 36. Now the expression becomes minus 18 upon 9 plus minus 63 upon minus 7 plus minus 36. Now, according to this step 1, we use the BODMAS. We must resolve the operations inside brackets or grouped structures like fractions before moving to the external operations. Now, next step is division. We perform the division represented by the fraction. So now as you can see here, the first fraction says minus 18 divided by 9 equals to minus 2, and the second part there is a minus 63 divided by minus 7. So dividing the two negative numbers resulting in a positive number. So the answer will be 9. So now the expression becomes minus 2 plus 9 plus minus 36, or you can write it down minus 2 plus 9 plus minus minus 36. According to this step, division is the next priority after the brackets are cleared. Next step, third step, addition and subtraction. Finally solve the remaining addition and subtraction from left to right. So finally first, minus 2 plus 9 is equal to 7. The largest digit has a positive sign, and subtraction. So minus 36 equals to minus 29 because the larger digit has the negative sign. According to this step, addition and subtraction have an equal priority and are handled in order from left to right. So now the result of this expression is minus 29, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.